small town lived a boy named Danish. He was smart, talented, and full of dreams. But he had one big weakness. He always delayed things. Homework, I will do it later. Helping his father tomorrow, Abu. Studying with friends, relax, there's still time. Days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months, and slowly Danish fell behind in study and in life, but he still believed he could catch up someday. One afternoon, a wise teacher came to the schools. When Danish met him, he asked, "Sir, I want to be successful, but I feel lazy. I keep delaying. What should I do?" The teacher smiled. "My child, listen to a story. Long ago, there was a farmer. Every year, he plugged his land on time, sowed seed on time, and harvested golden crops. He lived happily with his family, but one year he grew careless. He said, I will plug tomorrow. The next day, I will sow the seed later. There's still time. Days passed, the season slipped away. When he finally went to the field, it was too late. The soil had hardened, the rains had stopped, no crop could grow. That year, his family suffered hunger, not because of bad luck, but because he wasted time. The teacher looked at Danish and said, "Do you see, my boy? Time is like a lesson. If you miss it, no effort can bring it back. Work delayed is opportunity lost." Danish was silent. For the first time, he realized his excuses were stealing his future. That night, he promised himself, "If I don't change today, I will regret tomorrow." From the next morning, he woke up early, he did his homework before play, he helped his father at the shop, and whenever laziness whispered, "Do it later," he told himself, "Later never come, do it now." At first, it was difficult, but slowly things changed. He began finish tasks on time. He earned respect from teacher, friends, and his family. And with discipline came success. A year later, Danish became a confident young boy. People admired him, and when someone asked, "What is your secret?" he simply said, "I learned to value time before it was too late." My friend, in real life, too, time is more valuable than money, gold, or power. Money lost can be earned again, health lost can be regained, but time lost is gone forever. A student who wasted years know the pain of failing. A worker who missing one chance know the pain of regret. A traveler who misses the train by 1 minute knows the value of 60 seconds. Remember this: if you respect time, time will respect you. But if you waste time, time will destroy your chance. Value your time before it's too late. Thanks for watching.